The registration form at Hyper Casino contains 2 pages. On the first page, you'll need to enter a valid email address, create a strong password, confirm it, select your residence country, and choose a currency. From there, you can continue to the second page of the form, where you'll enter your personal information, such as name, address, city, postal code, mobile phone number, and date of birth. As for Hyper Casino, the welcome package contains 2 offers, both of which are deposit bonuses. Upon making your first deposit, you can claim a 100% match bonus up to £100, euros or dollars. The second offer is a 50% deposit bonus up to €200. Both offers are available in the following countries: the United Kingdom, Austria, Canada, Germany, Ireland, Norway, India, New Zealand, South Africa, and Switzerland. They're valid for 30 days and subject to 45 times wagering requirements. Moreover, Hyper Casino features tournaments, themed promotions, cashback bonuses, and daily prizes. For example, at the time of making of this review, Valhalla tournament was in progress, and it has a prize pool of €3,000. All rewards are granted in the form of a bonus subject to 10 times wagering requirements. The 10% cashback bonus with no wagering requirements is available to everyone who plays without a bonus. 24 hours after you've deposited and started playing, you can request 10% of your lost deposits. The Hyper Fridays offer is available to all the players who deposit at least once before a Friday. The promotion can feature deposit bonuses, free spins, cashback bonuses, and other prizes. Before claiming the bonus, always check casino's terms and conditions. Hyper Casino accepts all the major payment methods for depositing and withdrawing. Players can choose from credit and debit cards, bank transfer, e-wallets, Skrill and Neteller, PaySafe Card, Sofort, Interac, and Boku. The minimum deposit is €10, €30 via bank transfer. The maximum deposit, however, depends on the payment method of choice. As for withdrawing, the minimum amount of money you can cash out is €20, while the maximum withdrawal limit is €5,000 daily. The casino accepts the following currencies: Euro, Sterling, Swedish krona, Norwegian krona, Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, South African rand, Indian rupee, New Zealand dollar, and Thai baht. Hyper Casino is one of the new casinos and has just over 700 games. However, the newer the casino, the wider the diversity of its offer. Even though it has a significantly smaller game library than some of its rivals, Hyper Casino features various games. The selection includes Slingo games, slots and video slots, table games, video poker, and lottery games. The selection of software providers supplying the casino comprises more than 10 names, some of which are rather popular on the market, such as Evolution Gaming, Microgaming, and NetEnt. Play responsibly.